If you have a passport register that isn't coming on, or is turning off and on for no reason, we will show you how to quickly fix the problem. If the screen is blank, and there is no blue power light, and even flicking the power switch doesn't work, this is what you need to do. We're going to check the cable going to the AC adapter underneath the stand. Flip the whole register over on its side. This cable connected to the power adapter can wiggle loose over time as the register is moved. Push the power cable all the way into the adapter until there is a good fit. You should hear the register kick back on and see that the blue light is now illuminated. If there still isn't any power, try flicking the power switch again. Your register should boot back up normally.